Hello everyone, I have a 14 Mazda CX-5 with 108,000 miles on it, and I'm doing this Pour Heater Performance TSB, and it's 0700717. I have a really poor heat mainly out of the driver's side of the dashboard on this. And here's the description. And you go down through this. The repair procedure is install a new heater core. Now I've already tried to flush this thing out and it did not work. Here's the old heater core. The water flow goes in this top tube into the bottom of the heater core and then up, because it sits in the dash like this. And this half of it will be for the driver's side heat, and this half for the passenger side. You see this, it's kind of like a silicone jelly goo stuck in the cores. I don't know how deep it runs down through these. The passenger side looks pretty good. And on the top, don't really see much up here. So the heater core that's going in it is a Murray 98157. So the box sits in here just like this. The heater core goes right in there. Takes the air in from the outside. It goes to the evaporator right there. Then it goes through the heater core, and you can see the box is kind of split. And the driver's side blend door is back here. It's kind of round. It rotates. And the passenger side's this one. Passenger side blend doors right here with the arm. That's all the way up and it's closed. And the same thing for the driver's side. The arm's all the way up and it's closed. The weird thing on this dashboard is these rotating member junction plates. These right here. They're reverse threaded. So when you thread the bolt back in, it will spin it out and up against the body. So you have one here, one there, and they go right up there. The other one's over there. There's where the bolts go through. One on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. And this passenger side of the dashboard has also two more of them. Just basically fills in the slop. So when you put the dashboard back in, you kind of snug up the driver's side first, and then when the bolts are installed, it rotates these things out. So that's kind of oddball thing on this dashboard. This thing looks a lot worse than it is. It's actually really simple and straightforward to get out. And it's got these hooks that it goes on dashboard. You lift it up slightly and then it'll come back out.